Hello, my dear all students. Welcome back to our channel, Gyan Manshi Online Education. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Keep yourself at your home. So, my dear all students, in our last lecture, we had started our 7th unit and we had completed our first story in our 7th unit, and that was A Baker from Goa by Lucio Rodriguez. So, today onwards, we are going to move with our second story, and that is Kurg by Lokesh Abro. So, let's see what this story wants to convey with us. So let's get started our second story, and that is Kurg. So first of all, one question comes in our mind, that what do you mean by Kurg? So Kurg is coffee country famous for its rainforest and spices. So that is our Kurg. Midday between Mysore and the coastal town of Mangalore sits a piece of heaven that must have drifted from the kingdom of God. This land of rolling hills is inhabited by a proud race of martial men, beautiful women, and wild creatures. So this paragraph midway between Mysore and the coastal town of Mangalore. Mysore we can say. So these are the name of the town of Mangalore. So in the Mangalore, this kind of towns were there. Towns are there. So sits a piece of heaven that must have drifted from the kingdom. So drifted from means been carried along gently by air. So they must have drifted from the kingdom of God. So this land of rolling hills is inhabited by a proud race of martial men, beautiful women, and wild creatures. So we have to be proud for this kind of things as a uh, inhabited by proud race. Kurg or Kodagu, the smallest district of Karnataka, is home to evergreen rainforest, spices, and coffee plantations. So, how the Kurg is famous for? Kurg or Kodagu. So, what is the second name of Kurg? So, we can say the name Kodagu is the second name of Kurg, the smallest district of Karnataka. So this is the smallest district of Karnataka. Is home to evergreen rainforest, spices, and coffee plantations. So these three things are very evergreen or famous in Karnataka: rainforest, spices, and coffee plantation. Evergreen rainforest cover 30% of this district. So how many percentage cover rainforest? So they cover with 30%. During the monsoons, it pours enough to keep many visitors away. The season of joy commences from September and continues till March. The weather is perfect. So, which kind of weather is there? So, during the monsoon, it pours enough to keep many visitors away. And the season of joy commences from September and continue till the March, ending of the March. The weather is perfect with some showers thrown in for good measure. The air breathes of invigorating coffee. So the weather was very good. We can say very fresh air was there. Coffee estates and colonial bungalows stand tucked under tree canopies in prime corners. So here the air breaths of invigorating coffee, and coffee estates and colonial bungalows stand where tuckle under tree canopies in prime corners. The fiercely independent people of Kurg are possibly of Greek or Arabic descent. As one story goes, a part of Alexander's army moved south along the coast and settled here when return became impractical. These people married amongst the locals, and their culture is apparent in the martial traditions, marriage, and religious rites, which are distinct from the Hindu mainstream. So here tradition Kurgi dress, you can see the picture of that. So how was the tradition, how was the weather, how was the appearance of them? So in this unit, this kind of things were there, not the proper story or conversation will be there. So some kind of information, some kind of deep knowledge we will get from this unit. So how the rituals, how the riches, and how they were different from Hindu mainstream. The theory of Arab origin draws support from the long black coat with an embroidered vest belt worn by the Kodavos, known as kupiya. It resembles the kufiya worn by the Arab and the Kurds. So how the appearance was there of Kurgi dress? So they have describers, and it is known as kupiya. It resembles the kufiya worn by the Arabs and the Kurds. So Kurgi homes have a tradition of hospitality, and they are more than willing to recount numerous tales of valor related to their sons and fathers. The Kurg regiment is one of the most decorated in the Indian army, and the first chief of the Indian Army, General Kariappa, was a Kurgi. So, how the Kurgi was there? Tales of valor means stories of courage and bravery, usually in war. Then, even now, Kodavos are the only people in India permitted to carry firearms without a license. So only people in India, which kind of people, what kind of people in India are permitted? So we can say that Kodavos are the only people in India who has the permission to carry firearms without a license. Otherwise, it needs license to take it, to have it. The river Kaveri obtains its water from the hills and forests of Kurg. Mahasir, a large freshwater fish. The name of the large freshwater fish is Mahasir, abound in these waters. Kingfishers dive for their catch, while squirrels and languors drop partly eaten fruit for the mischief of enjoying the splash and the ripple effect in the clear water. So which kind of fishes are there, how the kingfishers are there, how they works, what they eat, this kind of information are there in this paragraph. So around this waters, kingfishers, they dive for their catch, and squirrels and languors, they drop partly eaten fruit for the mischief of enjoying the splash and the ripple effect in the clean water. And here elephants enjoy being bathed and scrubbed in the river by their mahouts. So, how different kinds of animals enjoy the water, or how did they do? The most laid back individuals become converts to the life of high energy adventure with river rafting, canoeing, rappelling, rock climbing, and mountain biking. Numerous walking trails in this region are a favorite with trekkers. So, what the trekker likes to do, which kind of adventures were there? So, river rafting, canoeing, rappelling, rock climbing, and mountain biking were there. So, here canoeing means traveling in a river in a canoeing, a large narrow boat, that is canoeing. Then rappelling means going down a cliff by sliding down a rope. So here you can see the picture basket seller from Coorg. So from Coorg, how the basket seller we can see. Numerous walking trails in this region are a favorite with trekkers. So trekkers were there, they used to go there in Coorg. Trails means paths created by walking. Then birds, bees and butterflies are there to give you company. Macaques, Malabar squirrels, languids and slender lories keep a watchful eye from the tree canopy. I do, however, prefer to step aside for wild elephants. So here birds, bees and butterflies are there to give you company. Not only they were there, but not only trackers were there or just those animals were there, but this birds, bees and butterflies also will be there to give you company. Macaques, Malabar squirrels, languids and slender lories keep a waterful eye from the tree canopy. I do, however, prefer to step aside for wild elephants. The climb to the Brahmagiri hills brings you into a panoramic view of the entire mystery landscape of Coorg. So the climb to the Brahmagiri hills, so it will be bring to you into a panoramic view of the entire mystery landscape. So you can see the all over the landscape from that Brahmagiri hills of Coorg. A walk across the rope bridge leads to the 64-acre island of Nisargdhama. So, a walk across the rope bridge. There was a rope bridge which led to the 64-acre island of Nisarg Dhama. Running into Buddhist monks from India's largest Tibetan settlement at nearby Bailakupi is a bonus. So, what is the bonus? What will you give in a bonus? What will you get in a bonus? So, running into the Buddhist monks from India's largest Tibetan settlement. Some Buddhism were there in Tibetan, especially Nepali Tibetan. They believe in Buddhism, and it is really very good Buddhism, which represent love and peace. At nearby Bailakupi. So is a bonus. The monks in red ochre and yellow robes are amongst the many surprises that wait to be discovered by visitors searching for the heart and soul of India, right here in Kurg. So, which kind of people, what kind of people you will find there in Kurg? So, how they will look like, which kind of dress they had wear. So, the description is here. So, this is our Kurg story. I know it's not too much interesting, but it's very informative story. So, very much interesting is not there, but a kind of informative or kind of general knowledge we can get from this unit. So, you have to do this. So, what's the fact file? How to reach Medicary, the district headquarters, is the only gateway to Kurg. The misty hills, lush forest, and coffee plantation will cast a spell on you. Find a resort, coffee estate, or stay in a home for a truly Kurgi experience. So, if you want to get this kind of Kurgi experience, just go there. By air, by rail, and by road. So this kind of routes are there, so it is very useful. So students, here we are going to end up our lecture as well as our stories finished here. So in your homework, you have to just write down all the question answer, whatever are there in the exercise, just thinking about the text. Total 4 questions are there that you have to write down in your notebook, in your fair book, and also thinking about language. That first, here are some nouns from the text. So culture, unique culture, ancient culture. So if you know that, then just write it down. Otherwise, just do this thing thinking about the text. Total 4 questions are there, so just write down in your fair book, in your notebook, and send it to me on time. So students, if you find any difficulty regarding this chapter, so please ask me anytime. Okay, thank you my dear all students. Have a nice day.